the voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in John 16, verse 1 and 2. All this I have told you so that you will not go astray. They will put you out of the synagogue. In fact, a time is coming when anyone who kills you will think he is offering a service to God. This is a warning the Lord Jesus Christ is giving us. He said that, yes, there will be times of persecution. There will be time of suffering. And the intent of this is to put you out of the synagogue or put you out of the church. They don't want you to go to church. They want to prevent you from worshiping God, from knowing the truth. And that is the works of the devil, of course. That there will be oppositions, friends. And the closer the coming of the Lord will be, well, the intensity of that opposition will also grow. And therefore, friends, He wants us to be strong. He is telling us this thing so that we don't go astray, so that we don't fall away, so that we will continue to persevere, that there is a purpose in us going to church. That the purpose, friends, is for us to be closer to God, and the purpose is to cause us to be stronger in our faith. Because there will be many, friends, that will fall away closer to the coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. Because there will be oppositions, there will be trials, there will be persecutions. And yet, we are told, friends, to be strong. Don't give up in the faith. He was also telling us the truth, that those that will try to kill us, they will think, friends, that they are doing a good service to God. Yes, those that will try to prevent us from going to church, from worshiping Him, they thought that it's a good service to God. They're doing a service to God. Well, friends, they are being deceived. They are being led astray by the devil, blinded by the teachings of the wicked one. And therefore, friends, let us stay strong. We know the truth. They don't know the truth. They are blind. Why should we follow them? Why should we obey them? Even the Lord Jesus Christ had warned us, friends, about following blind guides. He was telling us that if we follow a blind guide and that guide will fall, we too will fall. And so with those that are following the wicked one. And therefore, friends, be set apart for Christ. Stay strong. Don't do what they want you to do. Because again, friends, what they want you to do is to destroy you, to prevent you from going to church, to prevent you from worshiping God, the true and the living God. Stay strong and know, friends, that God is indeed faithful. He will be with us until the end. That is His promise, friends. So if that is the case, it's worth keeping the faith. It's worth serving Him. And again, let's take this as a warning. He was telling them, but I'm telling you the truth, that there will come a time when people will do bad to you and they thought that they're doing good for God. They are completely blinded. And then He was saying that He is telling us all this so that we don't fall away. So friends, stay strong, be faithful to God. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance and give you His peace, His shalom. God bless. See you again next time. Bye.